What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, car channel where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the car community on YouTube, because where I live there is no supercars, and it's just a discussion channel, guys, and that's what we're here to do. On today's episode, it's just a simple question. What do you think is going to happen with Mr. Organiks channel in 2021? Hope you guys like the new setup. It's practically done. I'm trying to think of what I'm going to put on the table, some car models. I think I'm happy with this. I got the the canvas up, and going forward, if it's too dark as well, guys, let me know. I might turn on the light, but I think it's good at this way, but let me know. If you're new to the channel, guys, please do consider smashing the subscribe button. That would be dope. We are, I think, two subscribers away from 1,400. I think the goal for 2021 this year is to hit 2,000 subs and to hopefully get a project car. Because I will show you how I can do for project cars, guys, don't worry. And if you're interested in coming on the channel to discuss or talk about some of your favourite car YouTubers on a weekend, like a Zoom call, hit me up on my Instagram and let me know. That would be pretty sick. We will have Life of Heavy E coming on. I don't know when. I've just messaged him to ask him when he can come on to do an interview with him about his experience with meeting up with Mr. Organik. And yeah, as I said today, guys, that's what this video is about. I did say a while back when I first covered him saying he was getting a Ferrari that I would follow up on this to see if he got one before the new year. Before I actually even jump into this as well and get into depth, before some of these supporters start jumping onto my channel, into my comment section and going haywire, you need to woo-saw a bit. You need to calm down, open your eyes, relax, listen to what I have to say. Ice Cream already said it as well. Well, I'm not hating on Organik. I'm basically observing what he's saying, and basically, he's saying these things, and I'm just he's a car channel. He's got the C7, he's got the Hellcat. I've watched his channel, but when you come out with stuff that's contradicting to what you're saying, if people call you out, it's YouTube, and people are giving out to me saying you should be doing better things with your time. I have a full-time job, but why should he get to make videos on YouTube and say he's doing all these things and then people not call him out? You can't just do that. It doesn't work that way, So just relax. Let me say my piece. And have a civilized discussion in the comment section, right? So, look, guys, he basically said he was getting my Ferrari approval. I was getting a 488. He's getting a mansion, and then he put up a video saying, "Should I buy Life of Paulus's Ferrari as well?" Now, it's plain and simple. If you're going to say you're going to do something, do it. But it's really just all clickbait and lies at this stage. Guys, if you can't see that, and you support a channel that basically says that he's going to do this and that and doesn't, has basically inflated overpriced merch, and just treats his girlfriend like that and treats his supporters bad. I mean, look, at the end of the day, channels like Hidden Man, Cali Woke, Life of Hemi, T-Size Word in the Street, again, I'm not hating on Organik, it's just an observation and this is a discussion channel. I believe Organik could turn his channel around if he wanted to and make it more, just be more honest and come out about what your plans are with the cars and stuff like that. He could change it around, but I don't think he will. I think he's gone so far into it, he won't. And again, it's his own fault. These channels wouldn't be covering him because in the car community, we love our cars. And if a channel is a channel kind of with him, and you're saying you're going to do this and this, you expect it to be done. You don't see me turn around saying, yeah, I'm getting a project car, it's going to be a Ferrari next week. No, I'm not rich. I don't turn around saying I have 5, 10, 20 million. And I'd be lucky to have even 2 grand in my bank account. That's being honest, So it's not hating on him, it's just basically, if you're going to say these things, be honest. He said before the new year was out, he was getting cars. He didn't. And I'm just wondering what you think is going to happen in 2021 with him, because he said all these things, and if people are saying, "Oh yeah, I can't wait you got him," he didn't get them. So what are you going to say now? About Organik after him saying he's going to get all this stuff and then doesn't. What's he going to say he's going to get in 2021? Because will his channel last? Because in fairness, his views are down really, really low. So how can he afford to go out and get these cars? I mean, I just don't get it. You know, and I'm just wondering, like, how far will his channel go in 2021 if his views just keep going down and down? Now, if he does eventually get a Ferrari or whatever, fair dues to him. Like, I'm not saying he might not, but so far he's led to believe he's not going to get a Ferrari and all these things he's saying, and it's frustrating because you proved the doubters wrong, but you haven't. You just keep clickbaiting a line and pulling all this stuff out. Like, the only reason he pulled up that video about buying Life of Paulus's Ferrari was to try and get views and to try and get a mention by Life of Paulus, and then he got attacked as soon as he put up that post, that comment about it. And because, you know, Aaron Life of Paulus doesn't know what's going on with his channel, because it's been, I'd say he just doesn't want to know, and then he's after finding out that it's not that what's going on with Organic, it's to stay away from it, and he just dipped out and took away his comment, which, as I was going to say, it was pretty shitty. You should have left that up there, you know. So, you know, trying to bring Life Paulus into it and stuff like that, and just because, like, his views are down really low. I don't know, he needs to change direction in my eyes anyway. And again, you know, hopefully we can get Life of Henry on here and try and get a more in-depth view into what happened when he met up with Organic, screwing him over for that 1200 for you know, making a video with him as well. So it's something to look forward to, guys. I just said I'd bring it up. Let me know what you think is going to happen to his channel for 2021. And yeah, if you like this kind of stuff, guys, again, do subscribe, hit the like button, and do comment below. And obviously, if you want to come on the channel, let me know as well. But until then, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.